Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring Randomizer with your friends. To begin, you'll need to download two essential mods, the Elden Ring Reforged mod and the Seamless Co-op mod. Make sure both are installed correctly into your Elden Ring game directory. It's crucial that every player involved has the exact same versions of these mods installed to avoid any compatibility issues. This foundational step ensures a smooth start to your randomized adventure. Next, open the Elden Ring Reforged Randomizer application. Here, you can customize your experience by selecting various randomization options, such as item locations, enemy placements, and even boss encounters. Take your time to choose settings that sound fun for your group. Once satisfied, generate the randomized game file. This file contains all the unique changes for your playthrough, so save it in an easily accessible location. Now for the multiplayer magic. Take the randomized game file you just generated and place it directly into your Seamless Co-op mod folder. This is a critical step. Then, share this exact same randomized file with all your friends who will be joining. Every single player must then place this identical file into their own Seamless Co-op folder. Consistency here is key for everyone to experience the same randomized world. Finally, it's time to play. Launch Elden Ring using the Seamless Co-op launcher, not the standard game executable. You can either start a brand new game or load an existing save file that is compatible with the mod. Once in game, use the special Seamless Co-op item to either invite your friends to your session or join theirs. Prepare for unpredictable challenges and hilarious moments in the lands between.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.